KTM has unveiled the 2025 390 Adventure X in India, a more accessible version of the popular 390 Adventure. The X model shares the same platform as the standard 390, maintaining its rugged adventure-ready design but with a few notable changes to make it more budget-friendly. The 390 Adventure X is powered by the same 399cc single-cylinder unit that produces 46 PS and 39 Nm, paired to a 6-speed gearbox with a slip and assist clutch. It continues to offer strong performance for adventure riding while being easier to handle for beginners or riders looking for a lighter option. In terms of suspension, the 390 Adventure X features a non-adjustable WP Apex forks at the front and a preload adjustable WP Apex monoshock at the rear, both offering 200 mm of travel. The bike rides on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, which are a size smaller than the 390 Adventure spoke wheels, providing a more road-oriented setup. Braking is handled by 320mm front disc with radially mounted calipers and 240mm rear disc with floating calipers. The 390 Adventure X also weighs less at 182 kg wet. The ground clearance remains at 227mm, while the seat height is slightly lower at 825mm, making it more accessible for shorter riders. The 390 Adventure X comes equipped with a TFT display that supports smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing riders to access call and SMS alerts, turn-by-turn navigation, and music control. It also features quick shifter and dual-channel ABS that can be switched off for the rear wheel, along with an off-road mode that disables traction control for enhanced off-road capabilities. With a 14-liter fuel tank, the 390 Adventure X is built for long rides and is designed to handle a variety of terrains. It offers great value for those seeking an adventure bike that balances performance and practicality.